Cleaning your HoMedics humidifier is crucial for ensuring clean and healthy air in your space. Begin by unplugging the humidifier. Empty any remaining water from the tank. Use a mixture of white vinegar and water to clean the base and tank. Allow it to sit for about 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For the ultrasonic disc, use a soft brush or cloth. It's recommended to clean your humidifier every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on usage. Regular cleaning prevents mold and bacteria buildup. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.